So in this video, we are going to talk about creating and managing your clients. From your main screen, you'll see the client button on the top. If you enter that, this is where you're going to have your entire client list. So this is where you can go in and create new clients, and you can edit clients that are already in existence. If you have a number of clients to upload, there is a bulk upload. It is a CSV file. You'll just need to contact us at support@tilhouse.io, and we will send you the template for that to be uploaded. But for now, let's just create a client. So we can go into the Create button and create a new client. So we can give it an operating name, whatever the email address is. You can give it a business classification, the type of company that it is, and the year end. So we'll say this one is December 31st. We can also put in the nature of the business. Doesn't really matter what it is here. This information as well is going to carry forward to your engagement. So here we can select save, and that is going to create that new client. Now, if I wanted to go and edit that client, there's the client that I just created. I can come over here to the little blue pencil icon and I can update this client. So the first screen here is the client profile. This is what we saw on that main client screen. So if you do want to edit any of this information, you can go into the update button, and that's going to bring this all up so that you can edit it. Just don't forget to press the save button when you're completed. Let's just take a look at some of the other tabs that go along the left-hand side. So the first one here then, after corporate info, is your contacts. So this is where you can maintain the information for your clients. And again, it's going to pull from this screen into your engagement. So this is what I would consider more like your permanent file, information that is not going to change from year to year. So you can add employees, and you can add in your clients' addresses. There's also a section on governance where you can put information about the shareholders, about the entity's key advisors, their banks. So again, to enter anything, you're just going to go into the Create button, and you can enter that information. Once you press save, it will appear in this chart. Let's go ahead and just enter something here. So let's say Mr. Wright owns 100% management. He is those charged with governance. He is management. Let's go ahead and save that so you can see what it looks like. So now I have Mr. Wright owning the company. Tax information doesn't go anywhere. This is just somewhere so that you can keep all of this information together around the corporate tax number, the filing due date. Now the filing due date will appear at the top here. So if you want to keep track of those filing due dates, let's say at a December year end, so let's say, I'm going to say the 15th of June, and I'll go ahead and save that. And you'll see now that the filing due date has come up to the top. Engagements we're going to get into in a moment. There is a GL maintenance. Basically, when we get into the engagements, the general ledger that you first import stays with this client. So you can assign GIFIs in this spot as well, but we'll talk more about that when we get into the engagement management. There's also a section here for documents, and basically any of the documents that you create per the engagement are also going to be accessible from this tab by engagement year. It just becomes a very easy way to be able to access the documents rather than having to go back through the engagements and get into the engagement templates themselves. So if there's something that you just want to see, there was a bank rec or there was a financial statement, this is going to be where you are going to see that. Now, similar to what we saw on the dashboard video, you will see the help down at the bottom. So if you are having any issues, you can contact us directly through this help button. and you can take that screenshot of where you're at. That'll help us solve any issues that you may be having. Again, if you have questions, you can search for help within these article guides.